Holy moly, it is cold outside right now. It's about 20 degrees. It's got the diesel heater cranked up. About to eat up a little more of this chow mein. This stuff's really old. A couple years old anyway. This is stuff I'm not going to store anymore because these sauce packets, the sauce in them gets really thick and it's lost a bit of its flavor. So these don't age very well, these Nissin chow meins. But they are still good. I love noodles. Just boil up some water. Fill it to the line. I put it in the microwave for another couple minutes. Give it a good cook. And drain out all the excess. I think you're supposed to leave the water in there, but I drain it out so it's extra saucy.
I'm gonna try meeting other girls.
I really like these Nissan chow mein packs. Or Nissan chow mein packs. At least when they're fresh, they're really good. So let that sauce kind of heat up and melt and rehydrate or something. Can't imagine why it's so thick. It's all like that though. This is my third pack from out of storage. And they're all very thick. This is spicy beef. Yeah, it's not too bad. The beef seemed to hold its flavor a little better than just the chicken, the non-spicy chicken. Still add like a little bit of soy sauce here. Not bad. Alright, good afternoon everybody. I am finally feeling like I'm caught up on sleep. I slept about 10 hours last night. Already got the shell out. Making some food. Oh, it feels so good. I hadn't really slept in almost a month. Almost a month of no sleep. Well, getting like 1 to 2 hours of sleep a night. Every once in a while, a 4-hour night, but boy, oh boy, that was wearing me down. A little good. Out of sausages, so I'm just doing a plain veggie wrap, veggie burrito. Broccoli. Get all these freaking stems. Yeah, oh my god, the sleep has been glorious. I'm having so many crazy dreams, I can't even keep track. I love dreaming. They're so vivid too. Oh my god, I wake up and it's like I feel like I just came back from another world. Had a dream about another goth chick. I don't know what it is about these goth chicks. Which was, you know, pretty amazing. Pretty amazing dream. Visited hell briefly. Fucking nuts. That was a nutty dream. Oh my god, dude. Wasn't too horrible or anything. It was just like living in a horror movie kind of a little bit. I was kind of there just as an observer, just checking it out or something. It was, god, it was freaking weird. So I was fighting. I was also hiding and fighting some serpent, some giant flying serpent. So it was just insane. Bunch of other dreams. I can't. Oh yeah, I was talking to my manager from my old job with apartment maintenance from a long time ago. Her name's Misty. Pretty hot for an older lady. Yeah, it was It was crazy. It was weird. She told me she had cancer. I was really sad about that. Really vivid, really crazy, really weird dream. It was like sleeping on a bench. I was like a homeless guy sleeping on a bench. And all of a sudden I realized I was back in the manager's office, and I was like, "Oh, it's Misty." I'm like, "How have you been?" She's like, "You're looking good lately." She's like, "You look a bum." I'm like, "I know. I'm sleeping on a bench." Just extremely vivid. There's a lot more to it, but it would take me about an hour to explain everything. It was awesome though. It's so awesome to have good deep sleep like that. I feel so much better. So much better. I'm about to go back to sleep. 10 hours is not enough. I gotta catch up. I could use another 5 or more. But first I need to put something in my stomach. I am starving. Burrito time. Wish I had some meat. It's alright, I'm saving a ton of money. I cut back my calorie intake by like half. I only eat 1 burrito at a time now. 1 breakfast burrito instead of 2. 1 veggie wrap instead of 2. Feels good. Heat shrink should be here today, finally. Just got a message in my email that says it's on the way. And we can finally get that wiring project done. Alright. Yeah, I'll go back to sleep for a little bit more. Wait for the mail to get here. I also got a DisplayPort to HDMI cable on the way, so I can set up a second monitor. I got another monitor I can use, so I can do more filming from the computer and live streams for gaming. Make things easier to watch OBS and see what's going on. All right, the packages have come. I got our DisplayPort to HDMI cable, and these should be it better be, yes, heat shrink tube labels. Half inch, half inch, half inch. Still got some 3/4 inch on the way. I thought that said it was delivered. All I need is the half inch. Half inch will get me started back on that wiring harness, which I am very excited to finish. Okay, I want to make my macaroni, but I don't think I can do the whole box. This has got 4 cups of water in there, and that's already half full. So let's try. It's gonna be hard to put in only half of that. I mean, you're gonna end up draining the water anyway, so I don't know if you need a full 8 cups. There's no way I can get 8 cups in. Alright, there's 6 cups. Boiled and stirring the macaroni. It's just, yeah, just give this a shot. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to. Yeah. I need to add the hot dogs too, so there might not be enough room in this pan once the macaroni gets all cooked. Yeah, let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. Might just cook the hot dogs in the microwave and put them in as like a topping, I guess. Let's get them chopped up and ready. I'll nuke them when the time comes. A timer set? Alright, 7 minutes in. I think that's already done. Yeah, those are pretty tender. Let's go ahead and drain it. Alright, I was able to do that with only 6 cups of water. Could probably do it with only 5. But yeah, that worked out pretty dang good. I like that. Got the sauce packet, some cheesy sauce. Oh boy, that looks good. Holy moly, that's a lot of cheese. Here's the timer. Cooked way quicker than it said. Maybe I was only supposed to boil it on medium or something. Very good. Mmm. Cheesy. Kind of tastes like Velveeta. Is off? Nope. Oh man, that looks good. I haven't had macaroni in forever. Mmm. That's really good. Heat them back up a little bit on this hot burner. Getting those hot dogs cooked. Hot dogs cooked up there. Exploding. Exploding dogs. I'm starving. Let's put that in there. Put that much in there. That looks great. Starving. Yeah, that was really good. I could even go without the hot dogs. This macaroni is so yummy. But the hot dogs do add a nice flavor. I like it. Probably even use a little seasoning. Probably just use one hot dog next time. Definitely some feel-good food. Yeah. Very good.
As I understand it, the Katsuda family has been this area's largest landowner and employer for generations.
Vote for Katsuda and nobody gets hurt. He'll make you bread.
Decided to warm up today too. Perfect timing. So I can get back on that wiring harness. Feels nice out. Nice not to have all the snow. Alright, got that set up. Now I could see whether or not my microphone is muted. Or whether or not it's recording. Or what kind of shot I'm getting. Because when I have a full screen down here, I can't really see what the recording looks like with my face cam and all that, so that's a nice little upgrade. Alright, I'm gonna have some of this for dinner. Got a bit left for lunch tomorrow, and that's it. I'm not eating this stuff anymore. I forgot how bad. I am feeling slimy, greasy, and just gross. My stomach is grumbling and bubbling. Oh boy, yeah. Not doing this anymore. It was good though. Bunch of calories to burn off too. Could do that about 30 times. Take a break, do another 30. Alright, you guys, stay tuned. By the time you are watching this, I am going to be rewiring patches. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.